license keys looks like this. It's very long, like random characters. Just copy this key and paste here. Okay. And one more thing, we are going to load the image data set. So we have to check these two buttons here. So now we finish configuration of the AR camera. And the second one, we have to configure the image target. So also choose the image target, and in the inspect tab, now we go to this one, image target behavior, and there is a database and image target slot. Okay, choose all your live demo one. Okay, now we can see the dinosaur is very small and the ground is too big, right? So we are now going to make the ground a little smaller, like 15. Okay, now looks better. Right. So now actually everything now is ready for us to build a Android or a iOS application right now. So we are going to build this project here. Because I use the Android, so I build it on an Android, right? Okay, right now. In the file menu, there is build settings here. And first we add the OpenScenes to the sensing build. And second one, we choose the Android. And the third one is to set a player setting. Okay, so don't worry about it. Everything is in the slides. For every application, we have to set its bundle identifier. This identifier is just to identify. It is an ID that tells the app is developed by you. So we just have to modify it a bit. That's enough. I use this one, com.zzs, and just press build and run. Okay. Choose whatever you like. I use the Android. Actually, when we are going to use the Android, if we want to run our application on the Android, we have also to install the Android Studio first and to set the location. So it's here. You can see the setting instructions on my slides directly. out. Well, actually, the net is too slow right now, so can you see it? Okay, great. I place a GHK logo on this screen, and now it can recognize it, but I cannot control it because there is no arrow button on the screen, right? So in the next step, we are going to add some introductions to this application. We are going to scale it and also move this dinosaur, use the touch events. So I click it. I close it right now because the network is too slow right now. So sorry. And the next thing is to add some interactions to the virtual dinosaur because we want to scale it to make it larger. So the next thing we're going to use is also a plugin named LinTouch. Import it, everything. Okay, and we are going to add this content in touch. Add this content, and then we move the dinosaur to the image target. And drag the LinTouch in scale script to this dinosaur. So it's in the projects tab in the examples. Say scripts. There is a script. Say we can use it to scale these objects directly and select the dinosaur first, and in the inspector we jack the link scale directly to its components. So right now, if we build these projects on our Android or iPhone, we can scale this up. We can scale the dinosaur, but we can still not move the dinosaur as in the PC or laptop, because there is also no other touch interactions. And in the third thing, we're going to use the touch screen to move this dinosaur, right? So there must be somewhere that we can write some scripts. It's here. So also once again, select the dinosaur first, and we can find in the inspector there are so many scripts here, and so many components here. The first one is the transform. This transform means the position and also the location of these objects. And the animation defines the animation of the dinosaur, say the walk and run and jump and such kind of things. It defines a lot of animations here. We can check, right? There are some clips for us to configure. So don't worry, in this talk we will not talk about it too much. What we are going to add it is the third-person controller. It's a script written in JavaScript. So we can open this script here. So we can see there is a gear here, and there is an edit script. So click it directly. We can go to this update function directly, because actually in computer graphics or in a game, the objects is always updated in the update function. It's called every say 0.02 seconds or milliseconds or several milliseconds. So it will called by the system automatically normally. So here we are going to add some touch interaction, right? So come to our slides. The last part. We just in the update we just add some line of code here. The first one is to detect whether there are touch interactions on the screen. So if there is more than 0, there at least one touch on the screen, and we detect it, right? So and we detect it. And if our finger is moved on the screen, and then we return this touch point or touch information, right? So this is the first thing to change in the script. And the second thing to change for the script is in the update smooth movement direction. Because as we all know, once we touch the screen, we can move our finger, and this movement is actually indicates some direction, right? So instead of using the arrow, we can also use this movement direction to replace this arrow information. So here, if we detect there is a touch interaction, we can get the delta position. The delta position is that is the delta length from the last time, from the position detected the last time. So suppose there is a touch interaction here, and the system reports the position here for the first time, and then the next time it reports the position here. So in this way, we can get the touch position. So it's actually an interaction. It is actually an direction here, a direction here. So we use this direction to guide the movement of the dinosaur. So it's very simple. Just change the target direction by using this delta position. But in the touch screen, the delta position is actually 2D. But in the virtual scene, it's actually 3D. So we have to construct a 3D vector here, right? So this is it. And we type these codes here.